Where does consciousness reside in humans? Human beings can be understood as manifestations of consciousness. Consciousness, referred to variously as the soul, spirit, energy, or divine essence, is the fundamental substrate of our existence. The soul is present both within and surrounding the physical body, engaging with the brain to facilitate self-awareness. The interaction between the brain and circulating bodily fluids, such as blood, enables consciousness to manifest in a tangible, physical form. Upon cessation of this physiological interaction, the soul is believed to disengage from the body and subsequently seek another physical vessel in which to manifest. At the moment of conception, when sperm and egg unite and the heart begins to beat, consciousness is instantiated within the physical organism. This process exemplifies the embodiment of the soul through the dynamic interplay between biological and metaphysical elements. The soul retains vestiges of memory from its prior existence upon its initial interaction with the blood and brain. However, following birth, when the body exits in the maternal womb, there is a gradual diminution in the soul's recollection of its previous corporeal form or manifestation. As the circulatory system and brain mature during bodily development, consciousness emerges, and the process of self-manifestation continues to unfold progressively. At the moment of death, the cessation of blood circulation and neural activity results in the termination of bodily functions. Consequently, the soul disengages from the physical form. The soul is understood to interact within the blood, while the brain facilitates the emergence of self-awareness. Excessive blood loss disrupts circulation, leading to brain failure and the eventual death of the body. However, the soul persists beyond this event. Upon disunification from the deceased body, the soul naturally seeks connection with another physical form. This cyclical process exemplifies the intrinsic nature of consciousness and its embodiment within physical substrates. Elevated levels of consciousness or spirituality are associated with an enhanced sense of purpose and a more profound awareness of the authentic self. Conversely, organisms exhibiting less complex neurological functioning correspond to lower levels of consciousness. For instance, species such as flies, worms, or squirrels possess a form of soul or animating principle, yet their capacity for self-awareness remains comparatively limited. Consciousness manifests in diverse forms and is therefore omnipresent. It can present itself through physical or anthropomorphic embodiment, as well as in the forms of light, energy, apparitions, angels, demons, and various other energetic phenomena. This consciousness energy has the capacity to materialize into either physical or perceptual entities. However, the energetic demands necessary for human perception of these manifestations are substantial, resulting in their typically transient and ephemeral nature. Ultimately, the soul possesses omnipotence inherent to its very nature. It exists eternally within the conscious realm and is inherently indestructible, affirming its perpetual and immutable essence.